Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. So we have a great song here from AALIYAH and The Weeknd, and the song is called Poison. So you guys who have heard of AALIYAH, you know that she left us too soon back in 2001, I believe. But this one is material that has been released recently here, and this is amongst other featuring The Weeknd here. And this song is pretty basic, pretty easy to play. Only 3 different chords and 1 strumming pattern. That will work for the entire song. So let's start with this one. No need for any capo. And we have this A sharp chord here. So you need to bar the first fret here from the A string and down. So that means 5 strings. And the rest will be 3rd here on the D string, 3rd on the G string, and 3rd on the B string. Okay, but what I do there, I just bar this 3rd fret here from the D string and down, and yeah, that's my way of handling this chord for this particular song here. And if you do that, you perhaps don't have to strum all the way down to the E string here, and if you do, you just have this one muted here with my with the finger here. You are barring on the 3rd fret. So that's how I handle the technique there for this song. Okay, so that's the A sharp chord, and the next chord will be C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord will be D minor 7. So that is open D, 2nd G, 1st B, and 1st E. And for this chord here, I'll also bar here on the 1st fret, the last 2 strings, the B and the E string here on the 1st fret with my index finger, and I'll just put my middle finger on the 2nd fret, the G string. And that's it for the D minor 7. Alright, so the chord progression for your song will be A sharp to C, to D minor 7, and back to C. That is the chord progression, and that will go on for the entire song there. So we will also learn a strumming pattern, and that is like this. I can show you with this A sharp chord. So it will sound like this. All right, so that will be down, clap. So we can start there, easy. Down, clap. Then comes down, up, down, clap. So down, up, down, clap. So far from the start, down, clap, down, up, down, clap. And it ends with a down, up, like this. So down, clap, down, 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 up. All right, so that's it when it comes to the song. With the chord progression here, the A sharp, C, D minor 7, and back to C, it will sound like this. And it will go on like this through the entire song. So a great song here from AALIYAH and The Weeknd called The Poison. So good luck with this one, guys, and see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe here, and most of all, play tuned.